Alright guys, Jason Greystone here. I'm a professional investor and trader, and I'm also a co-founder over at Tier 1 Trading.
Hey guys, my name is Akil Stokes. I'm a trading coach and one of the co-founders at tier1trading.com.
I wanted to take a second just to invite you to a free 4-day online workshop that we're running on the 18th of November.
In this workshop, you'll be given the opportunity to work with experienced coaches and learn skills that will last you a lifetime. Each day and each session within each day is geared at accelerating growth and improving your performance as a trader.
Now, if this is the first time you're going to be attending a workshop with us, it's going to be a little bit different to what you're used to.
Unlike other webinars or one-day workshops,
we're not just going to show you kind of a load of PowerPoint slides and give you pitch-perfect examples of what works.
We're going to teach you some stuff. We're going to practically apply it to the market, meaning we're going to be doing live trading sessions, and we're even going to teach you a
brand new strategy that you can then go and backtest and you can implement right away to start your journey into consistently profitable trading.
So if this trading year hasn't gone how you planned, yeah, it stinks, but
honestly, there's nothing you can do about that now. What you can do, however, is to get started on planning for 2020 and prepare to make
that your best trading year ever. But it starts with acquiring knowledge and then putting that knowledge into action.
So I look forward to seeing you on the 18th of November
for our 4-day Bridging the Gap free online trading workshop.
And until next time, plan your trade.
Trade your plan. Take care.
See you then.